All right, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be Shady Grove Road in Maryland. All right, got a right turn. Notice how it sees anytime something comes up in blue, it basically means it's in the way, potentially. So like when pedestrians are crossing, or if a car is coming from a different direction turning by you, it will flash as blue. That's how you know that FSD is considering this object, vehicle, or person that's flashing blue, and that's the reason why it's not moving. So if you're ever wondering, hey, why is my car not going, and you notice there's like a car coming that's highlighted in blue, that's the reason why your car is not moving, because it's accounting for that car basically. We're gonna try to, nope, I had to take over there. I tried to do a lane change and then I noticed this Tesla flying in, so I decided to take over, but I wanted to see how it would handle that. But yeah, that's the way to tell how FSD can kind of speak back to you as far as what it's doing. So blue pretty much means something's happening. As you can see here, whenever it's lit up as blue, that's how you know Autopilot or FSD is enabled. And if you notice the blue line in front of the vehicle here, that means also that's the trajectory, and it is currently enabled. See how when I disable it, it turns gray, and re-enable it, it turns blue. Again, then when you see cars or highlighted people blue, that's how you know it's, for example, there. It's sort of accounting for these people, just in case, you know, something erratic happens. FSD had kept them in mind. Excuse me. All right, so quick drive for you guys here today. We're looking at about a 3-4 minute drive from here. We're actually going to Rockville, and hope everyone watching this is having a great day. It is a nice day out here, a little chilly, 57 degrees, but nice and sunny though. And we got a right turn coming up, so you can get an idea of the remainder of this drive here. All right, so please hit that like button if you're enjoying the FSD content, and subscribe for more, because I will be posting in 4K. Yeah, really great job about maintaining the speed limit. It's one thing Autopilot does great about is, see how it's slowing down for this car that was turning, and then it immediately sped back up. But yeah, if you're heavy-footed on the accelerator and you like to speed, but you know, you don't want to, and
500 feet, turn right onto
Autopilot is for you.
Now turn right onto Key West Avenue.
Ooh, a little close to the curb there. All right, let's see how we make this right now. Ooh. All right, nice job. Not bad. Yeah, FSD is still in control. The car is driving itself, and it has been, you know, pretty much this whole video. Getting pretty confident these days about it reaching my destination, you know, without any takeovers. It's doing pretty good about that, I have to say. But yeah, As you can see, I'm pulling up 0.4 miles from, where we're at here. No more turns, so I wanted to kind of give you guys a glimpse of how it's operating here in Maryland. So yeah, thank you again for watching this video. More videos coming soon. Have a great day.